it's me, Cubeguy. So in this video, I'm going to do a very special unboxing. It's from Moyu. It's the new RS0M 2020. So the price of the case is very astonishingly low, 5 cents. Yeah, 5 cents. So now let's see what's inside. So inside we have the classic stand and accessories box, and finally just take the cube. So here's the cube. The cube actually feels very light, so light, it's lighter than the GAN 11M Pro, and the turning is very smooth, like there's no noise, there's very nice turning. Okay, so now that we have unboxed it, I'll just do a quick solve. Okay, so here's my timer and here's the cube. I'll scramble it and we'll start. Okay, 390, not bad, but I could have done better. So that's this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you guys next time. Bye, and be sure to subscribe my channel.